start heat up, then y'all already know. Put that flour in there and make that roux. Make sure your fire is on medium low. You don't want nothing to burn. Medium low. And once you add that flour in there, baby, go ahead and stir. You don't want nothing to burn, nothing to stick. Color will change. It's going to get darker and darker and darker. So y'all just keep stirring. Make sure that pot is on medium low. And look at that. Look at that. Look how dark that roux is. Now that's a stew. That is what you call stew. That's the color that a stew is supposed to be. So now right here, the water that I had boiling, I added the roux to that. So look at it now. Look how good it is. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my potatoes. And I'm going to go ahead and add my ingredients. I chopped up some onion, bell pepper, green onion. Add that in there. I'm going to go ahead and let that cook down for about 45 minutes. So the potatoes will get good and tender. And I did use red potatoes, because to me, red potatoes are better. So, look at that, y'all. Look how good that is. That is the color a stew supposed to be. Your stew can't come out caramel, can't come out light. No. The stew is supposed to be brown. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning. Of course, onion, garlic powder, paprika, some red pepper flakes, that complete seasoning, and what else I got over there? Some salt and pepper. Add that to it to bring the flavor out. I don't do no measuring when it comes down to seasoning my food. I'm just like a regular old person, baby. I shake and go. You gotta know how much seasoning you need to put in there. Got all that seasoning up in there, and you want to stir it around like this there. Stir it around. Baby, look at that pot. Baby, that's golden brown. Look at that. That ain't nothing but love in that pot, baby. So now I'm going to go ahead and add beef broth. My beef broth. You can add water, you can add chicken broth, but I choose beef broth. Go in there, add a little bit of that so you can loosen it up a little bit, because you don't want it to be too thick, because your potatoes still have to cook. Once the potatoes cook down, then you can add the shrimp and sausage in there, then baby, there you have it. So y'all had to go ahead and change the pot, change that skillet to a pot. I don't know what I was thinking, but y'all had to change it so it wouldn't overflow. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my sausage and shrimp. Stir that up real good, mix that up. I season it with the same seasoning I use to season the water. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add that in now. Let that cook for a good 10 to 15 more minutes. You know it don't take shrimp long to cook, but you want that flavor to soak in, so you let it cook, and then you let it simmer down. Over some hot rice. Y'all look at that pot. Look at that. Baby, I made this with love. The flavor is so good. The flavor is so good, y'all. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend, tell another friend, and y'all keep the subscribers rolling in. Thank everybody for all the love, all the blessings, all the support. Thank y'all for liking. Thank y'all for sharing. And I see y'all on the next video. Love y'all, my